Chapter 13 Surface Areas and Volumes Part 4. In this part we are going to see conversion of solids from one shape to another shape. Conversion of solid from one shape to another shape. You see examples. Suppose you take the sphere, big sphere you take, you are changing, that is you are melting this sphere. This sphere what melting and recast into small lead salt, that is small spherical ball. Clear? Lead salt means water. Spherical balls, small spherical balls. Okay. So they may ask number of balls, both radius will be given. Clear? Second example, cylinder full of ice cream. Clear? You can put the ice cream in the cones. How many cones you can? Okay, it can be filled in how many cones, like that they will ask. Then cuboid into coins, small coins. Clear? Cuboid into coins. Understand? Same, the volume will be same. Clear? The big cuboid changing into what? Small coins. That means the volume will be same. That means it is melting and recast into the coins. Here also cylinder to sphere. Of conversion of solid from one shape to another shape. Okay. So now we will see the exercise problem. The exercise 13.3, first problem. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of cylinder of radius 6 centimeter given. Here you have to find out the height of the cylinder. Okay. So sphere, converting sphere into what? Cylinder. Both radius given. That's why you have to take this radius as R1, this radius as R2. Clear? So now while melting and recast, the volume will be same. Both volume will be same. Right? That is the concept. So for cylinder you take. For cylinder, radius is given, cylinder radius 6 centimeter, and take it as R2. Okay, let H be the height of cylinder. Therefore, according to the question, volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. Volume of cylinder equal to volume of sphere, or volume of sphere equal to volume of cylinder. If you keep volume of cylinder left hand side, means the unknown will come left hand side. Easy to simplify. Okay, that is the main thing, right? Now, what is the volume of cylinder? Pi here R2, radius is R2. Correctly you have to write. Okay, what you assumed, that correctly you write the formula. Pi R square H, that is equal to volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi R1 cube. Right? Pi R1 cube. Now both the side you see that pi get cancelled. Right? Now you put the value of R1, R2. Clear? Put the value. R2 is 6 into 6 into H is equal to 4 by 3 into R1 cube, that is 4.2. 4.2 into 4.2. Write 3 times. Cube means 3 times you write. Even you can change into fraction also. 42 by 10 also you can write. Okay, this is very simple only. That's why I did not change it. Now H is equal to this 2, 6 you divide that side. That means 4.2 into 4.2 by 6 into 6. So now this 6 you cut it means 0.7. Here also cut it means 0.7. Right? Correctly you have to simplify now. Okay. Now 3 table you can cut this. 3 table you cut means This 4.23 table you catch. Means one time will go, then 4 time 1.4. Now everything you multiply it. Very easy to multiply. Okay. Here 4 into 1.4 is 5.6 into 7 into 7 0. What 49 0.7 into 0.7 0.49. Now you multiply 56 into 49 multiply. Therefore H is equal to, after decimal, how many points there? Here 3 points. So 2.744 centimeters. Okay, this is the height of the cylinder. Okay, approximately we can write 7 point or 2.74 we can write. Okay, centimeter. Therefore height of the cylinder, yes, therefore height of the cylinder is, final answer you have to write. Okay, therefore height of the cylinder is 2.74 centimeter approx. 2.74 centimeter. Understand? So very easy. Okay, volume you have to make equal. Then easily you can find out height of the cylinder. Simplification part very important. Okay, you have to learn it. You don't know means you have to learn it correctly. How to divide and correctly how to simplify. Okay. Now you see here 3 spheres are melted and recast into one single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. That means R1 is given. R1 is 6 centimeter. R1 6 centimeter you take. Next R2. R2 is 8 centimeter. And R3. R3 is 10 centimeter you take it. Right? Is given. Radius of the 3 spheres are melted and recast into big sphere. So let R be the radius of resulting sphere. Radius of resulting sphere. Therefore, volume of this plus volume of this plus volume of this equal to volume of this sphere. Therefore, spheres, right? What is the resulting volume? 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. Okay, so now what you have to do is you take this 4 by 3 pi common, the right hand side. 4 by 3 pi common you take means you will get r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. Now both the side 4 by 3 pi cut it means you will get simply r cube equal to r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. So like this you have to derive it. Now you have to find out this r. So left hand side you keep as it is. Right hand side this is 6 cube. This one 8 cube. This one 10 cube. Okay. So 6 cube is 216. So these three add, 8 cube is 512. R cube equal to 6 cube 216, 8 cube is 512, 10 cube is 1000. These three add means 1728. Which cube you have to find out? Okay, which cube it is 12 cube. Okay, you see continuously 6 cube, 8 cube, 10 cube, then 12 cube. Okay. Therefore, radius of resultant sphere equal to 12 centimeter. Okay. You don't know means you do factorization method and to find out. Okay. Like this you do. 1728 factorize 2 table 8 time 6 time 4 time again 2 table 4 time 3 time 2 time again 2 table 2 time 1 time 6 time. This is 6 cube, right? This is 6 cube. So here what? This is 2. This one 6 cube. This one 6. Take a cube root means what? This 3 2 means 1 2 you have to take. Here 3 6 into 6 into 6 means 1 6. So 6 into 2 12. Okay, 6 cube always remember. 6 cube is 216. 8 cube remember 512. Okay. Then 12 cube easily we can find out by factorization. We can find out, right? Understand? So easily you can remember 6, 8, 10 given means next 12 will come. Clear? Like this you have to remember. This problem very important. Practice well. Simple and very important. Okay. We will see now very important problem. The next problem, third problem. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. This platform height you have to find out. So what you are going to, you are what digging, clear? Digging the earth and spread out to make a platform. The length 22 meter, breadth 14 meter, and the height h meter you take. Height h meter you take, right? This is h meter. What height you take it? Clear? So now you do the solution. You have to find out height of the that is given here. 20-meter deep well. 20-meter deep well with diameter 7. 20-meter deep well means height, depth. Depth of well is given. Depth of well is equal to how much? 20 meter. That is h you take. H1 you take. 2 height you will get here. Okay. H1 you take. H1 you take, right? Next. Diameter. Diameter of well. Take it as 7 meter. That means radius. You have to find out radius. Radius equal to what? 7 by 2 meter. That is R. Take it as R. Now length of platform is given. Length of platform is equal to 22 meter. That you take L. Then breadth of platform is given. That you take 14 meter. That is what? B. Let H be the H2 you take. Okay, H2 be the height of platform. Okay, therefore according to the question, volume of platform is equal to volume of earth in the couch. Okay, volume of earth dug out to make the well. So volume of volume of platform is L into B into H2. Volume of earth dug out means pi R squared H1. So correctly you have to write the formula. Clear? What you assumed R H, what you assumed here. Clear? Same way you have to write. Now we have to find out what H2 you have to find out, right? H2 you have to find out. So you first substitute this L. What is L? 22. L is 22. B is 14 into H2 equal to this one 22 by 7 or 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. H1 20 meter depth 20. Clear? Now this 22 water by 14 you can bring that side means denominator. It will go denominator. So here one 7 get cancelled. Here one 2 get cancelled. That is 10. So H2 equal to therefore H2 equal to first numerator. In this numerator what is that? That you write correctly. 22 into 7 into 10. You write as it is. Now denominator here this side numerator. So bring this side means it will come into denominator. So here 22 get cancelled. Here 7 table it will go 2 times. This will that means 5. Therefore H is equal to 5 meter. H is equal to 5 meter. That means height of the platform is 5 meter. Understand? So very important. Clear? This problem is very important. Many times repeated. The same way, one more question there. That is fourth question. Okay, that is embankment. The platform, what I call embankment means circular path. You are making the circular path. Okay. Oh, this is also very important problem. Just like what a third problem. Clear? That is the platform is in the form of cuboid. But here the platform is embankment means circular path. Okay, circular path. That is okay, hollow cylinder. Okay, hollow cylinder. Understand? So this is well, this is embankment platform. That is platform. Embankment is a circular platform, right? So a well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep 14 meter deep. What one well is dug out. Okay, the earth is taken out and to make what well means you have to take out the earth. Okay, taken out the earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all round in the shape of circular ring of width 4 meter given. Width 4 meter given. Okay, to form an embankment, then find the height of the embankment. Width is given 4 meter. That means what here you see. Here you will get what this is small r. This will be capital R. Okay, this will be capital R. R1 R2 you keep it right. This one R1 radius R1 means this is R2. Clear? Circular R. So this width is given. This radius and this is the width given. Okay, it will get like this. The shape is what like this you will get. Circular ring type you will get right. Circular ring type you will get. This is R1. Okay, R2 is R1 plus width. R1 plus width. This one is width. Width. Understand? Circular ring type you will get. Okay. Diameter of well is given. Diameter of well is 3 meter. Therefore, radius of well. Therefore, radius is 3 by 2 meter. That is R1 you take it. R1. Okay, the earth taken out and it has been spread evenly all round in the shape of circular ring of width of the embankment. Okay. Width of an embankment. How much given width? 4 meter. Therefore, radius you can find out. Therefore, radius of embankment. Radius you write. Radius of embankment. Right. That is R1 plus R1 plus 4. That is 3 by 2 plus 4. How much? 2 you take LCM means 8. 11 by 2. 8 plus 1. 11 by 2 meter. That is R2. That is R2. Okay. Now both volume will be same. Whatever what earth, okay, taken out and spread evenly all around the well to make the embankment clear. Both will be volume will be equal. Therefore, HB the height of embankment. Therefore, volume of embankment equal to so found is equal to volume of earth duckout. Earth duckout from well. Clear? Volume of earth duckout. So volume of embankment is what pi capital R squared, because 2R you have capital R squared minus I mean here we have taken R2 squared minus R1 squared into H. That's equal to volume of earth duckout. That is also cylinder form. So pi is cylinder inner. That is pi R1 squared H. R1 squared H. Here also you are getting what depth of the well you have to write. Okay, here depth is deep given. Okay, so depth we have to write, that is 14 meter. 2H you are getting, so that is you take this one H1, then here you write H you write, no problem. Here H you write, so here you have to write H1. Okay, for understanding purpose H2 also you can take, H2 you take, no problem. H2 you have to calculate, or simply H also you can take, anyway you can do, right? Now both the side using pi get cancelled. Pi get cancelled. So this is nothing but R2 plus R1 formula use. Okay, A squared minus B squared formula. R2 minus R1. That is only better. So this side R1, you know, R1 is what 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. H1 is 14. H1 is 14. Deep given. Now R2 plus R1, both you have to add. Both you have to add. Means 14 by 2. So one more step you do better. 11 by 2 plus 3 by 2. This side you have 11 by 2 minus 3 by 2. This one 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 14. You cut it means what 7. Okay, into 7. 1 2 what you are cutting. Understand? This will become 14 by 2 into this is what 2 take LCM means 8 by 2. 21 will be 21, right? Now H2 equal to 3 by 2 into 21 into this side you bring. This side you bring means what 2 by 14. Right? Simply write. Okay. This will become what 2 by 8. So you should know this method also. Clear? This side from this side you now bring this side means you have to take reciprocal. Clear? Now you see easily you can cut this 2 and this 2. Now here this will go 2 times, this will go 3 times in 7 table, 3 times, right? Again one more 2 get cancelled. Understand? That means 9 by 8. H2 is 9 by 8. H2 is 9 by 8, right? 1 point. One time will go 1 point, then remainder 1, again 1 time will go. Okay, that is 2 remainder, 20 means 2 time will go, then 5 time meter. So 1.1 to 5 meter, therefore height of the well embankment. Height of embankment is 1.125 meter. Right. So very important problem. Many times repeatedly asked. You see the board paper means you know clear. You can find out this type of questions many times repeated. Either this or that will ask you. Okay. So very important. Practice well. That is very important. Practice only very important. Then simplification correctly out. Okay. Here also you can simplify that. You make this one 7, this one 4. Then that side you divide. Anyway you can do. Right. Fifth problem we will see a container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. Full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled in the cones like these cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter having a hemispherical shape on the top. On the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. In this water, you are filling the ice creams from this cylinder. Here, then how many cones can be filled? Here, that is the question. Understand? So very simple this one. So you have to what volume of ice cream in the container, cylindrical container, okay, is equal to volume of ice creams, number of cones, number of cones. Clear? For cylinder, first you write the right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter. Diameter 12 centimeter means radius. You can find out. Radius equal to 6 centimeter. So you take R1. Take R1, right? Because 2 radius it is coming. That's why R1. Then height is given. Height 15 centimeter. Height 15 centimeter. That you take H1, right? H1. Then for cone, here it is given full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled in the cones of height 12 centimeter. Height 12 centimeter. H2. H2 you take, that is 12 centimeter. Okay, H2 12 centimeter. And diameter 6 centimeter. Therefore, radius. We need radius. Okay. Radius is divided by 2. That is 3 centimeter. That is R2 you take. For hemisphere also same radius only. That's why you no need to write. Okay, same radius only for hemisphere. It is understood, right? Now, number of cone ice cream equal to number of cone ice cream event. Number of cone ice cream is equal to, this is only very important, okay, volume of ice creams, volume of ice creams, volume of ice cream in cylinder container, cylinder divided by volume of cone ice creams volume of a cone ice cream. Volume of a cone ice cream. Cone ice cream is what? Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay. So volume of what? Ice cream is pi R1 squared into H1 by, here only volume of cone ice cream is what? Volume of cone. Volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi R2 squared H2 plus hemisphere plus volume of hemisphere, that is 1 by 2 by 3 pi R2 cube. You would write R2 cube. So now first what you have to derive it. Formula. Here I think into pi R2 squared is common. Pi R2 squared you take. Whatever they are common you take. For simplification it is better. So 1 by 3 pi R2 squared taken common. So H2 plus 2 remaining here. 1 by 3 only we have taken common. So 2 pi taken common, R2 squared taken common. So 2R2. 2R2. Right? Like this correctly you have to simplify. Now R1 squared, you see here pi is, you can cut it. Pi you can cut it. Now R1 squared is what? 6 into 6. Into the H1 is what? 15. Whole divided by 1 by 3 into R2 squared. R2 squared is what? 3 into 3. So here 1 3 you can cut here itself, right? Into H2 12 plus 2R2. 2R2. R2 is 3. 2R2 is 6. 2 into 3 what? 6. That is equal to, here what? 1 3 you cut means it will be 2. So 2 into 6 into 15 by, here everything what one? So 18. That means this 6 you cut means it will go 3 times. Then this 3 you cut means 5 times. So 2 into 5 10. 2 into 5 10. So you will get 10 cone ice cream. Okay, number of cone ice cream equal to 10. Okay, that is number. No, don't write any unit. Okay, number of cone ice cream is 10. So very important problem. Okay, many times repeated. Okay, so you have to write here correctly. You have to write the formula. Volume of cone ice cream is volume of cone plus the top is hemisphere. So this volume also you have to take 2 by 3 pi R2 cube. Understand? Practice all the classwork problem thoroughly. You practice. Then you do the homework problem. I will give the same type of problems. I will give it. Okay, few problems I will give it. Do the homework problems for better practice. Okay.